To do auto calibration, please go to Settings. Click Enter and then click Auto Calibration. Step 1. Prepare calibration tools, signal cable, and calibration cylinder, also known as a calibration jig. When it's ready, please click Next to continue. Step 2. Take a calibration tool and mount it to the right and left spindles by opening the collet. You can also use the Collet open button from the LCD touchscreen. Step 3. Now, mount the calibration cylinder. Make sure it is not shaking and tightened. Step 4. Connect a signal cable. Attach one magnet ring to the left calibration tool, and take a second magnet ring and touch the calibration cylinder. Please do it as shown in the video. You should see a touch signal check when you touch the calibration cylinder. Now, repeat for the right spindle. Important note: if you see a touch signal, even though you don't touch a calibration cylinder with a cable, please clean the spindle collets and try again. After the touch signal check is finished, please click Next to continue. Click the Start button to start the calibration process and wait a few minutes until it is completed. Please make sure the touch signal is shown during the calibration process, when a calibration tool touches the calibration cylinder. When calibration is completed, you will see a pop-up. If there is an error during a calibration process, please close the error, click Ready Position and restart the machine.